Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product name and price in product page using custom shortcode. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to add custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to display product name and price using custom shortcode in product page in WooCommerce WordPress. Now you see add shortcode product underscore name underscore price. Scroll down, you see insert method auto install location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page. Now you see all product. Scroll down, now click on edit. Now you see edit, so click on it. Now edit product open and scroll down. We are in product description. Now paste. So by using this code we are going to display product price and name in product page. Now you see product underscore name underscore price. So click on update. Now product updated done. So click on view product. Now open it. Now product open. Scroll down. We are in description section. Now you see product name and product price. By using custom shortcode, if you change the product name and price, this section will also update. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.